I'm Weather by Logan, and it's Sunday, July 20th, and we have a lot of severe weather to talk about, including the chance of large hail, tornadoes. Let's get right into it.
No.
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, bro, but it's really just barely going to be any tornadoes. You realize it's just rain and hail. You realize that, right?
Alright, starting off on satellite, we have some thunderstorms and stuff about to ramp up basically across the country. And it's just some showers and across the country. And so I'm going to get you the SBC outlook right now. Alright, this is our day one outlook. We have a slight risk in the northeast and the Ohio Valley and the plains, and the Great Plains. And all the details will be shared in this video, so y'all stay tuned. This is our day two outlook. We have a marginal risk in basically the southeast and the Atlantic coast. And we have a slight risk of severe weather over here in Montana and a marginal risk in the Great Plains. So our day three outlook, we have a marginal risk of severe weather in the north in Minnesota, South Dakota, Nebraska, and North Dakota. So I'll get to y'all all the details right now. This is our day one outlook for tornadoes. We do only have a 2% risk of tornadoes. This could be an isolated tornado with this, just a few tornadoes. And over here in the northeast, Ohio Valley, and the Great Plains. And on our day three outlook that I showed you on the SBC outlook, that could change. That is a day three outlook, and it is pretty far away. So our day two outlook, we have a marginal risk or 2% outlook of tornadoes over here in South Dakota. This is our day one outlook, and we have a slight risk or 15% chance of tornadoes. That is the yellow. That's a slight risk of severe weather for only wind over here in these areas. This is our day two outlook for wind, and we have it over here in the mid-Atlantic or Ohio Valley, over here in the southeast, and we have a slight risk or 15% chance in Montana. This is our hail risk. Is actually going to be the most significant threat for our day one outlook over here in South Dakota, Montana, and Nebraska. It's really going to be significant with a hatched risk. And this means possibly Easter egg all the way up to baseball-sized hail. This is not good. This is our day two outlook. Over here in the same place, we could be seeing significant hail. Over here, we have a 15% chance that is not hatched, which that is good. But it could be added in later lookouts if confidence grows. So our day one outlook for excessive rainfall, we do have a 3 out of 4 enhanced risk of excessive rainfall. We could be seeing major flooding in these areas in Illinois, and this is going to be a big problem. And over here, it's just going to be slow-moving storms. That's why we have a slight risk and a marginal risk of only rain. And over here, we do have a marginal risk of rainfall and a slight risk all the way up in South Dakota. This is our temperature anomaly, and we are staying above average. This is 6 to 10 days, so this is basically accurate. And we are staying kind of cold in the west. We have a chance of being below average, a 50% chance of being below average. Over here in these areas in the dark red, pink, whatever you want to call it, it's going to be really above average. This is our 8 to 14 day. We're still being above average over here in the plains. And this is not good. This is just going to be extreme heat. That could be reaching 120 degrees all the way down to maybe 110. This is really going to be hot weather. So y'all stay safe out there and have multiple ways to receive alerts. If you get a heat advisory or anything, just stay hydrated and just stay indoors. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share with friends and family. And y'all stay safe out there across the country. It's really going to be hot, and there's a lot of severe weather coming. Peace.